Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Sonicare Optimal Clean is probably one of the most advanced electric toothbrushes on the market, designed to deliver a superior clean and improve your overall oral hygiene with its innovative technology and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a healthier, brighter smile. Number 5. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Introducing the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Achieve a dentist clean feeling every day for a noticeably brighter smile. This electric toothbrush is ADA accepted, ensuring effective and safe cleaning. Its powerful motor delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute for superior plaque removal. It comes with 8 brush heads and a travel case, making it perfect for on the go. Enjoy hassle-free wireless charging for continuous use. Choose from 4 distinct brushing modes to suit your needs. The smart timer guides you to brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. Elevate your oral hygiene routine with this advanced electric toothbrush. It's designed to deliver exceptional whitening results and a healthier mouth. Make the smart choice for your smile. This toothbrush offers a premium experience with cutting-edge technology for optimal oral care. What we like. This option offers exceptional value with multiple brush heads and a powerful motor. If you're looking for a comprehensive package that lasts, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a complete set for an extended period. What people say. It feels well made, looks sleek, and does a great job making my teeth feel clean and smooth after brushing. The vibration is strong without feeling too harsh, and it seems to remove plaque much better than a regular manual toothbrush. The smart timer is helpful and makes it easier to brush for the right amount of time without having to think about it. Number 4. Philips Sonicare C2 Plaque Control Toothbrush Heads. Introducing the Philips Sonicare C2 Plaque Control Replacement Toothbrush Heads. Achieve a superior clean and maintain optimal oral hygiene with these genuine parts. Designed for your Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush, these are genuine replacement heads. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance for effective plaque removal. Experience advanced plaque control with the C2 brush head. Its innovative design effectively removes up to 7x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. This pack includes 3 white replacement brush heads. Keep your smile bright and healthy with a fresh brush head every 3 months. The model number HX902365 ensures you are getting the correct, high-quality replacement. Trust in Philips Sonicare for your oral care needs. Enjoy an effortless brushing experience with these specially designed heads. They are engineered to provide a comfortable and effective clean every time you brush. What we like. Designed for superior plaque removal, these are genuine replacements. If you prioritize effective cleaning and brand authenticity, consider these. They are perfect for existing Sonicare users who need reliable brush heads. What people say. The bristle quality and durability of these are just like what came with the brush. The bristling density and shape are specifically designed to hug the contours of the teeth, allowing the high-speed motion of the Sonicare to effectively sweep away plaque, especially along the gum line. Has blue bristles that fade to indicate replacement is needed. Number 3. Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100. Experience a superior clean with the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6100. This advanced electric toothbrush is designed to protect your oral health. It features a built-in pressure sensor to alert you if you're brushing too hard. This ensures a gentle yet effective clean every time. With 3 distinct cleaning modes, you can customize your brushing experience to suit your needs. Choose from clean, white, or gum care. The integrated smart timer and quad pacer guide you to brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes, ensuring you cover every part of your mouth. Enjoy up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge. It's perfect for home use and travel. This toothbrush comes in a sleek white finish and includes a convenient travel case. Keep your smile bright and healthy wherever you go. What we like. Experience a personalized clean with its built-in pressure sensor and multiple modes. If you're concerned about gum health or want customizable brushing, this is for you. It's best suited for individuals seeking advanced features for a gentle yet thorough clean. What people say. The built-in pressure sensor is amazing. I used to brush too hard sometimes without realizing it, but this toothbrush gently alerts me when I'm pressing too hard, which has already made a noticeable difference in gum comfort. The 3 cleaning modes are perfect. I use the standard clean mode for daily brushing, the white mode when I want extra polish, and the gum care mode when I feel my gums need a little extra attention. The battery life is even better than advertised. I went 17 days before it started blinking to indicate a low charge. Number 2. Philips Sonicare Replacement Toothbrush Heads, 10-pack white. Experience a gentle yet effective clean every time you brush. Our replacement heads are designed to provide a superior cleaning experience for your oral health. Take control of plaque buildup with our specially designed brush heads. They effectively remove plaque, leaving your teeth feeling cleaner and healthier. These refill heads are perfectly compatible with your Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. Enjoy a seamless fit and optimal performance. This convenient 10-pack ensures you always have a fresh brush head ready. Save time and money with this ample supply. Add a touch of style to your routine with these clean white replacement heads. They look as good as they perform. What we like? Get a large supply of gentle and effective replacement heads. If you want to stock up and save while maintaining good oral hygiene, this is a smart pick. It's ideal for budget-conscious individuals or families needing frequent replacements. What people say. These replacement toothbrush heads fit perfectly on my Philips Sonicare and snap on easily without any issues. The bristles feel high quality, gentle on my gums but still very effective at cleaning. My teeth feel smooth and fresh after brushing. They are gentle on my gums and do not cause any irritation. The quality feels similar to the original brand but much more affordable. Number 1. Philips Sonicare E-Series Replacement Toothbrush Heads. Experience a superior clean with our premium replacement brush heads. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure a thorough yet gentle brushing experience every time. Featuring medium soft DuPont bristles, these heads effectively remove plaque while being kind to your gums. Achieve a healthier smile with every use. These brush heads are perfectly compatible with a range of Philips Sonicare E-Series models. Enjoy a seamless fit and reliable performance for your electric toothbrush. Engineered to reach deep between teeth and along the gum line, they provide a comprehensive clean. Say goodbye to missed spots and hello to a refreshed feeling. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have replacements readily available. Keep your oral hygiene routine consistent without frequent purchases. Swapping out your old brush head for a new one is quick and easy. Maintain peak cleaning power with minimal effort. What we like? These feature medium soft DuPont bristles for a comfortable clean. If you have sensitive gums or prefer a softer brushing experience, you should consider these. They are a good option for users of older Sonicare E-Series models. What people say. These toothbrush heads fit my Philips Sonicare Re perfectly with zero issues. They snap on just the same as the brand name version and feel just as sturdy during brushing. Brushes have the colored indicator bristles that change color when the brush is due for replacement. They get my teeth clean and fit the handle perfectly. The bristles seem a bit stiffer than original equipment and get between the teeth well. The flexible brush support element allows for much better bristle motion than other brands I've tried. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.